So you now have 200,000 for a phone. For coming out with a baby, you don't fair with 10K. Please clap for mama. Clap for mama. You sure that this man will tell you I love you too? Because as I see baby now, I don't say baby. You use my phone. Take call am. You don't have a phone? You lost. I saw your phone. This fine girl, so where you use it for? May your husband not go follow up. Say, honey, which person phone you take? Say, no, I want your time the girl when you give you phone, when you take win money. Before you know, where the invitation will come out. Let me see MC. Now call. Call her. Where that for my 10K? Make she fair whole her. I've got to bring down that money. Just say this one first. This one not sure. Oh, yeah.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, babe.
Yes.
This is Mommy Pinel, your wife.
Okay.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, and you have the party?
Have you eaten?
Yes, I have.
We are at the wedding I told you about. I just want to know how you're doing and tell you I love you.
All right, I love you too.
Okay.
Simple! Somebody say, yeah! This is love! This is love! This is love! This is love! This is it! 50,000! Thank you! We promote... DJ, bring it down. The reason why I'm doing this game, so we can promote love amongst family. Because of hustle here and there, people they forget to tell their wife, I love you. And I'm very certain, not be said they be millionaire, but you could see the cordiality, the way they tell love themselves. Wow, your phone money goes to complete. Wow, make I first delete this number because that boy and lover guy. I better delete her. So somebody gave you 50 just now. We said want to give you a phone of 100,000, 60. We're almost there. 20, no, if we put on job, we already have 60. Bam, madam, ladies and gentlemen, go and buy yourself a new phone. Thank you very much. Please give her a round of applause. 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 Keep being a romantic wife. Keep being a good woman, right? Nothing there outside. Your husband and your pillar. God will continue to bless and promote your family in Jesus' name. Wait, let me pick your money for you. Wait! DJ! No, man, stand up. Whoa. You just send me for play this game, so you now have 200,000 for a phone. So stand up. Go and buy yourself a new phone. See, why did I pick up money give you? Hey! Wow! No, it's okay. Thank you. Bring it down. Mama, it's okay. This is a vote of thanks too much. Not today, they're too grateful. But let me do second one. That said, won't marry. The church will be from Benin to Lagos. I'm sorry for her. More tell her the truth. No matter how rugged you are, two of your friends must hold you as will be money. Hola. You like you be courteous. Boys not they pay finish. Don't be say they not get. They don't want to suffer you for this marriage. Then why you make marriage hard your life? I married 2019. Two of my friends never paid enough. Osahon and Ipomosa. Osama they say Kenwan Road, number 17 Aho off a Kenwan Road. Fair in complexion. He uses a Toyota Corolla, red in color, with his vehicle number 234 EBM. His genotype is AA.
Oh my God.
Ogo will kill Osama. People is heartless. You they owe me Ashwebi money. You get mad where the Ashwebi come and pick naming ceremony. I not give her rights. When they go, they say, I can see no picking naming ceremony. Say, I don't have naming ceremony, not of. Yeah, name not they give the picking. That picking not go grow. All of poverty, battle. And again, men are hypocrite too. You carry a shovel, you they give a head. Hola, time reach to knock, you go wear condom. What do you want prevent? HIV when you don't drink 25 liters. What if you love MC Casino make some noise? Now, because of time, let me drop my last joke and leave. I came from Benin, I'll be proper Benin guy. But one thing I don't discover, say no to cultism. If there's one thing I respect Boss Amaju for, is constant campaign against cultism. Please a round of applause for my boss. I love him. Sir, I was Uniben SCG Vice President, University of Benin. I was never a cultist. So I know, wow. Good work! Good work! Okay? Hey, it's okay, DJ! Over Sabi, okay, you are Amaju. This is Amaju Pinnick. That one is Amaju Olympic. Go to NFF. What? 500,000. Okay, you dey do man. Let me Bobrisky you. Why you spend this kind of money? You're quiet. Okay, go ahead. You sit down, stand on top table. You don't deserve to sit down. You are too humble. Get out. Can you humble like this? Almost 500,000. You sit down. That guy's supposed to carry you for back. This one will not get money. Stand up and carry her for back. Now, cultism and scam. If you are here, you are a cultist. But if you never join, not join. Ibro, say what they call. Blind Wambe. If blind, you don't know my story. Beneath the hot, now we the boil them.
You are a cultist.
Hey. Hey. Jesus. Oh. 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 My sister, stand up. 500 a day on your stand up. Wow. Now somebody sweet. Amaju, give me your account. Let me recredit you. I am Richard Amaju. DJ Holland. Cultism is a scam. You don't say most times they fight, they kill themselves for no reason. For Benin, malaria kill number one man. All mosquitoes see they fly. Say we bring her down. So I did a joke. Because I tell Uniben, I don't begin go echo, man. So one day we call it talk about campus jokes. I bet can somebody be picking my money? Now this joke I want to go. And maybe I don't miss with Kevin Sam. Popular Benin comedian, key popular Warri comedian. Over money mixture. More than they help me. Life now, brain. Hey, why? You don't join MMM. You don't join MMM. This is why when you dress white and white like Gen Z, you don't hold. Forget that this is. I never said the small picking. You know, say one day mama called me say, that your guy AY greet am for me, oh. Yeah, mama there, it has spots, yellow house. As you drop an eye, you and mama na greenhouse. I love mama. I just